Birds are an important part of the ecosystem and are loved by people around the world. It is because of their ability to fly and, most importantly, their variety in both bird type, appearance, and color. Birds are found in many attractive colors. They may be black, white, green, blue, red, or many others. Today, we are going to discuss the most beautiful red birds in the world. Red-colored birds look very unique because it is a most vibrant and distinctive color. It's so pleasing to even think about red birds. Very few of us may have seen or heard about some of these birds because some are very rare and are found in various parts of the world. Let's talk about the 10 most beautiful red birds in the world. Number 10. The scarlet ibis. The scarlet ibis belongs to our group of beautiful red birds. It resembles other species of ibis, but we can differentiate it from other species just by its beautiful red color. It is a medium-sized bird and is known for its beauty all around the world. This stunning bird was first described by Carl Linnaeus in 1758. It is quite similar to the American white ibis. Lower parts of the scarlet ibis are almost all black. Adult scarlets weigh about 1.4 kilograms and are 55 to 63 centimeters long. Their lifespan in captivity is about 20 years and about 16 years in the wild. This lovely bird is found in many places all around the world, such as in Colombia, Brazil, Suriname, some islands in the Caribbean, and the Netherlands. Number 9. The red munia. The red munia is a sparrow-sized beautiful bird belonging to the finch family. It is also known as the red avadavet or the strawberry finch. It is also famous as a cage bird because of its colorful plumage. We can easily recognize the red munia by its round black tail and red bill. White spots can be seen on its red body and feathers. This pretty bird is found in Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, China, and Indonesia. It produces a low sound during flight. Their diet includes grass seeds and small insects. In the first months of the year, the beak of this ravishing bird is red. Then it turns darker later in the year. Number 8. The vermilion flycatcher. The vermilion flycatcher is a small and appealing member of the redbird family. One amazing fact about this graceful bird is that the male partner loses its vermilion coloration when kept captive. Wow, I've never heard of that before. Have you? It has 9 subspecies that are distinguished by their colors. It is about 14 centimeters long and weighs 11 to 14 grams. This elegant bird is found in Mexico, the United States of America, and some parts of Canada. It feeds on small fish and insects, grasshoppers, flies, and beetles. The female bird lays 2 to 4 eggs, and after 15 days, the young ones fly and leave the nest. Number 7. The summer tanager. The summer tanager is a normal-sized American bird. It is placed in the cardinal family. The vocalizations and plumage of this beautiful bird are almost the same as the other members of the cardinal family. It is a migratory bird and migrates to Central America, Mexico, and South America. Adult birds are about 17 centimeters long and they weigh 29 grams. Male birds are rose red in appearance, while the female bird's underparts are orange and their upper parts, wings, and tail are olive brown. This attractive bird also sings sweet songs and mostly remains high up in the forest. Number 6. The Pine Grosbeak. This beautiful red bird belongs to the finch family. It inhabits coniferous forests of Alaska, as well as the mountains of the United States, Canada, and Siberia. This magnificent red bird is about 20 to 25 centimeters long and weighs from 52 to 78 grams. Its sound is low. They inhabit a place permanently, but will migrate to other places. They feed on insects, buds, seeds, and berries. It has a round head and a long tail. The pine grosbeak sings sweet songs from the top of the trees. Number 5. The Scarlet Honeycreeper. The scarlet honeycreeper is a red-colored Hawaiian bird. It is a very famous symbol of Hawaii and is one of the most common birds of the Hawaiian Islands. This stunning red bird has a black tail and black wings and a salmon-colored bill, which is mainly used for drinking nectar. Its red and black plumage with a green background makes it easily visible to people. The feathers of this lovely bird are very expensive since they are used for decorative purposes. Its song is made up of whistles. Its diet includes small arthropods, but it mainly feeds on the nectar of different flowers. The scarlet honeycreeper has a curved and long bill that helps it get the nectar from the flowers. The female bird lays 2 to 3 blue eggs in their nests. In some areas, it is listed as a threatened species due to its decreased population. Number 4. The Northern Cardinal. The Northern Cardinal is a medium-sized bird found in the USA, Belize, southern Mexico, and Guatemala. This pretty red bird is also called the common cardinal, redbird, or simply the cardinal. It is about 21 to 23 centimeters in length and weighs from 33 to 65 grams. On its face, it has a mask-like marking that is black in the male bird and gray in the female. This ravishing bird feeds on grains, seeds, fruits, and sometimes on insects, snails, and grasshoppers. Number 3. The Red-billed Firefinch. The red-billed firefinch is a small bird in the finch family. It is also known as the Senegal firefinch. This elegant red bird is 10 centimeters long and weighs about 9 grams. It was first described by Mathurin Jacques Brisson, a French zoologist. The female's upper parts are brown and the rest is buff-colored, while males have brown wings, a pink bill, and scarlet plumage. This elegant bird sings beautiful songs. Its diet includes seeds and grains. The red-billed firefinch is mostly found in sub-Saharan Africa, Egypt, and Algeria. Number 2. The flamingo. The flamingo is one of the wading birds belonging to that family of birds, belonging to the family Phoenicopteridae. Molecular studies and morphological evidence suggest there is a close relation between flamingos and grebes. One noticeable characteristic of this gorgeous bird is that sometimes it stands on one leg while the other is folded below its body. The cause of this strange act is still not understood. There are 6 known species of this beautiful bird, but the flamingo is the tallest among all. Both the male and the female are approximately 4 feet tall. This attractive bird is omnivorous and feeds on blue-green algae, brine shrimp, small insects, and crustaceans. And number 1. The Taiwan rosefinch. The Taiwan rosefinch is a medium-sized redbird belonging to the Fringillidae family and tops our list of the most beautiful red birds. Previously, it was thought that it is a subspecies of the vinaceous rosefinch. As its name indicates, this beautiful bird is found in Taiwan. It is present in quite a good number and thus is believed to be a robust and thriving bird population. This magnificent bird is about 15 to 16 centimeters long and weighs from 20 to 23 grams.